Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Notebook. I hope you all are doing good. Today, we shall start a new lesson from your syllabus. This will be a fun topic on how you can handle and present a given data. Welcome to the world of data handling. Meet Neeraj. Today is his physical education class in school. He, along with all his friends, are wearing their PT uniforms. There are 4 houses in his school. Neeraj is in the blue house, so his uniform is blue. Some of his friends are in his house, while others are in different houses. So, all of them are wearing different colored uniforms. Dear students, can you tell me how many students are there in each house? From this picture, you can say that there are 3 students in the red house, 4 students in the green house, 3 students in the blue house, along with Neeraj, and there are 2 students in the yellow house. Wasn't that easy, students? Let us move on to another scenario. The school has arranged for a picnic. Neeraj and all his friends are very excited. They have brought different fruits along with them. From this picture, can you tell me how many students like each of the fruits? 2 students like oranges, 2 students like apples, 1 student loves chikus, 3 students like guavas. So, can you tell me in total how many students are there? There are 8 students in all. Children, which is the most favorite fruit? Guava is the most favorite fruit since it is liked by maximum students. Can you tell me which is the least favorite fruit? Yes, chiku is the least favorite since only 1 student is eating it. Now, can you tell me from this data how many students like guava more than apples? For this, you need to first check how many students like guavas. In this case, it is 3. Now check how many students like apples. Here it is 2. Now subtract the number of students who like apples from the number of students who like guavas. You will get 1 as the answer. So 1 student like guavas more than apples. Dear students, let us now see how Neeraj travels to school daily. Every day, Neeraj travels to school in his bicycle. Like him, many friends of his do the same. Some come in their father's motorbikes. Some students avail the school bus. Few students take the local auto, while quite a few students like to walk to the school. Dear students, can you tell me how many students walk to school? 6. How many students take the auto? 4. How many students come in motorbike? 2, right? Now, tell me how many students come in bicycles? 5 students. Can you tell me how many students come in the school bus? 12 students come by bus. Look at the chart carefully. Can you fill up the chart with the number of smileys that every mode of transportation depicts? 1 is done for you. 6 smileys denote 6 children walking to school. So 4 smileys will denote 4 children taking the auto. 2 smileys will denote 2 children coming on motorbike. 5 smileys will denote 5 children coming in bicycle, and 12 smileys will denote 12 children taking the bus. So this brings us to the end of our first video lesson on this topic. We shall return soon with the next part. Stay tuned. Goodbye.